doing just now? Which activity I was doing? Can anyone guess?
Gadgeting.
Let me tell you, I was checking my social network and Facebook. So I want you to ask a question to yourself. When was the last time when you checked your Facebook account? Or what you get something from it that can boost your curiosity and creativity? Ask yourself that what you got something valuable instead of that can improve your knowledge and that can boost your curiosity. Well, some of you might have a purpose of using a social media, but what about our kids that are going to be our future generation? They don't have any special purpose of using the social network. Even the kids aging 9 or 10 have their social account in a social network. That means kids aging 4 or 5 will have Facebook account in future generations. I have a present example in front of me. My younger brother has an account on Facebook and Instagram, being a student of 7th standard. I purposefully asked him, what you make use of Facebook or what you do in Facebook? He replied me that I just use it for the sake of fun and I just chat with some of my friends. He added that even my older brothers and sisters are using Facebook, then why shouldn't me? From this, you can easily conclude that our future generation is going trapped towards the social network right from the age of 9 or 10. Even the researchers revealed the data of a survey that showed that 35% of the under 18s were worried about being tagged in unattractive photos, while 27% felt stressed about how they looked in posted images. A further 22% admitted to feeling down if they felt any of the photos that had been posted has been overlooked by peers. No doubt, social media teaches us how to live in a social life and also teaches us the sense of making connections with our families. But this can be done even in another way. Why don't we create a social network or an interaction platform for kids that give them a daily dose of learning lessons and motivational videos and more stuff to increase their creativity and curiosity? Sounds great, right? In my idea of social network, they can upload selfies and they can share their experience, but they have their parents will have an eagle's eye on each of their activity so that they don't get into any kind of trouble. They can even explore more about their hobbies and watch motivational videos that give them something valuable instead of getting depressed about getting likes in their photos. There will be no age limit. Even a parents of a 2-year-old kid can sign up for the network. I said parents as 2-year-old kid don't know how to sign up in a social network. But this is not for the current generation. I have a live example in front of me. I have my younger sister. She is 3-year-old and she knows how to operate the mobile, how to open the YouTube, and how to watch the rhymes. Even it happens in our school. Sometimes, I repeat, sometimes students know better than teacher in computers. So whenever our teacher gets stuck with any problem in the computer lab, we the students are always ready to help them out. Yes, so I was talking about there should be no age limit in the social network, in my idea. Even the teachers or the mentors above 18 can sign up for my network so that, kids usually get into depression if they don't score well in any exams or through any other valid reasons. So we have a great opportunity for them. They can share their problems, their experience, or they have faced throughout the day, and the mentors or the teachers can help them out to solve their problems. Teens even love to work for their hobby and passions. So we also have an opportunity for them. They can explore courses for their hobbies taken by some professionals. I mean hobbies like drawing, playing guitar or any other musical instrument. The advantage of it is that they can learn to follow their passion, and that can lead to success in their life. And another advantage is that they can explore courses and watch courses through any corner around the world. Teens even casually upload photos to show up their swags. In my idea, they will earn badges instead of getting likes in the photos. After watching or learning every video, they will earn a badge. So the kids will tell that hey, I have a golden badge in my profile, so I am a good learner. I have silver badge in my profile, so I am a progressing learner. At last, concluding my words, I would like to say that kids and teens are our future resources. They need to be running in a proper path. And yes, I forgot to introduce myself. I am Harshil Zalavadia, founder and CEO of Harshil's IT Solution. We are currently making apps. For Android, and we still are working on artificial intelligence to provide help to the humans. Thank you for listening my idea. And yes, the people who are eagerly waiting to make this idea into reality, they can contact me anywhere, anytime.